Welcome students, come back with another question shown here. Before going to solve, one advice is watching video without any break is good for better concept and understanding. Also, I want to say another thing is subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for having the notification of uploaded videos. Now, let us solve. First, write the given expression. This is the question which is to be solved. To solve this, first expand this. Maybe better to understand. It will be 52 minus I. So, 52 minus 1 next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I is equal to 1 to 5. So there are 5 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will be 47. See, first term and last term, there is some similarity. Similarity means how? 47 and 47. 4 and 3, it is not similar. So, remember one formula, writing here, n plus 1 CR, that is equal to n CR plus n CR minus 1. If we write this and this side by side, see, n assume 47 and R assume 4, R minus 1, 3, because that is right hand side, that is equal to this left hand side. So using these and this, we may write 48 n plus 1, R means 4. First writing this side by side, it will be better to understand. First writing this 51 first writing NCR means 47 CR, 47 C4. Now compare these two with right hand side this. Obviously, so using this we can write using this formula, this is C4. Here R means 4. So same way these two consider, giving bracket. Here also should give bracket to better understand. This will be 49 C4, again bracket. Again bracket. Using these two, again using this, So the required answer is, what is, or writing the given expression I think you have understood clearly. If any doubts, write in comments. If you have any problem, you may write in comment box. Thank you. Again, reminding you, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.